Hey, how's it going, everybody? Josh here with Desert Gardens Homestead. So here we are, December 22nd, and one of my girls, Esther, has just gave birth to a little baby. It looks like there's just one in here, and truth be known, I was not expecting it. I definitely knew that they were pregnant, but I wasn't quite sure how far along she was. And so, but she did what she knows best. This is her second birth that she's given birth to. The first time it was twins. Now it looks like a single, unless there's another one coming shortly. But came out here to give them some feed, and I saw the little baby. The door was open, but she was not being disturbed. So it's just such a blessing to be able to witness this, just to see Father's creation and work, and to be able to welcome these little lives into the world. I'm not quite sure whether it's a male or a female yet. I just saw it, so as soon as I knew that she had given birth, I broke out my camera and started filming. So it is a rainy day here in the desert. It has been raining off and on all night, and so but they are nice and dry in here. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure she has plenty of hay and some water. I'll go ahead and get her a pan of water out here, and then I'll just go ahead and keep the door closed so that she can have some privacy for the next couple days. And I'll go ahead and check my other females and just make sure with their back ends to see if they're also close, and then go ahead and make some preparations. But we do have a little cutie that just entered the world here on the Desert Garden Homestead, and so I just wanted to share that with you. All blessings and praise be to the Most High, and I certainly appreciate you stopping in and checking out this channel. Certainly appreciate you checking out the video, and hope you have a great day today. God bless you all. Take care.